Hello viewers. Now we'll take up the topic, the working of multiplier. The concept of multiplier, we'll understand the concept and its relation with MPC and MPS. Then we'll take up the working of the multiplier. Now the concept. And you see, this concept of multiplier is very important contribution of Professor Keynes to macroeconomics. And what is this concept of multiplier? Very informally, if you want to understand this, because whenever you make an investment and the income that is generated out of that investment is many times more than the original investment, that is a must. Whenever we make an investment and the income we reap out of that investment is many times more than the original investment. So the number of times that the income multiplies is otherwise called investment multiplier. And if we want to express in terms of literature, then we say that investment multiplier refers to the ratio of change in income to change in investment. It is expressed as investment multiplier is expressed as the ratio of change in income to change in investment. So that's why we write, and in macroeconomics we use the symbol K to signify multiplier. So K is equal to change in Y by change in I. That this is the ratio of change in income to change in investment. This is multiplier. K is equal to delta Y by delta I, or the change in income by change in investment. For example, suppose say an investment of rupees 10 crores generate an income of rupees 80 crores. So investment is made 10 crores and it generated an income of 50 crores. Then the multiplier will be K is equal to delta Y by delta I. Delta Y is here 80 crores and delta I is 10 crores. So the multiplier is 8. That is how multiplier is calculated. This is the value of multiplier. The number of times that the resulting income multiplies the original investment. The original investment is 10 crores. But the income generated out of that investment is 8 times of the original investment. And that's why multiplier is 8. That is called investment multiplier. And this investment multiplier can be calculated either from marginal propensity to consume or marginal propensity to save. As far as the relation is concerned, this multiplier is directly related to the value of MPC and inversely related to the value of MPS. So it is the K is directly related. It is directly related. K, value of multiplier is directly related to the value of MPC. So that's why from MPC the multiplier is calculated as K is equal to 1 by 1 minus MPC. That is the calculation of multiplier from MPC. It is 1 by 1 minus MPC. Let us suppose the MPC is 0.8. Then the multiplier K will be 1 by 1 minus 0.8 is equal to 1 by 0.2. So multiplier will be 5. The value of multiplier is 5. That is how multiplier is calculated from MPC, marginal propensity to consume. K is equal to 1 by 1 minus MPC. And the relation, direct relation. And what I told, this MPC can also be calculated from MPS. This value of multiplier can be calculated from value of MPS. And how? Now the value of multiplier is inversely related to the value of MPS. It is inversely related to value of MPS. That's why we say K is equal to 1 by MPS. We say multiplier is 1 by MPS. If it is MPC, it is 1 by 1 minus MPC. And if it is MPS, then multiplier is 1 by MPS. Suppose 0.5, MPS is 0.5, then K will be 1 by 0.5 is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. That is the value of multiplier. This is how multiplier is calculated from MPS, marginal propensity to save. Because it is inversely related to the marginal propensity to save, but directly related to the value of marginal propensity to consume. And we see that we can use a hypothetical table, a numerical example to show that how the value of multiplier is inversely moving or inversely related to the value of MPS and directly related to the value of MPC. That we'll see now. Right. So we'll take a table example. We'll take different level and we'll calculate the value of multiplier. Here we take MPC and then we'll take MPS and then we'll go for multiplier. That is K. So when the value is MPC 0, you must know if the value of MPC is 0, then what will the value of MPS? Because as you know, MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. So if MPC is 0, MPS obviously it will be 1. Now you calculate the multiplier. You calculate from MPC. MPC K will be 1 by 1 minus MPC, that is 1 by 1 minus 0, 1 by 1. So multiplier is 1. Right? As you calculate from MPS also, K is equal to 1 by MPS, that is 1 by 1, it is 1. So value of multiplier is 1. And here we got very important information here. Then what is the minimum value of a multiplier? The minimum value of multiplier is 1. That also we got. And when is that value up? When the value of MPC is 0, the value of multiplier is 1, and the value of minimum value of multiplier is 1. Now, suppose the MPC is 0.5. If MPC is 0.5, then MPS obviously it will be 0.5. Because MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. MPC plus MPS is equal to 1, and that's why MPS will be equal to 1 minus MPC. Similarly, MPC is equal to 1 minus MPS. So if MPC is 0.5, MPS is also 0.5. Calculate multiplier. Calculate from MPC. MPC से calculate करने से K is equal to 1 by 1 minus 0.5 is equal to 1 by 0.5 is equal to 2. Calculate from MPS. K is equal to 1 by MPS is equal to 1 by 0.5, again 2. So it is 2. Now we'll take the income, say it is 0.8. So if it is 0.8, then MPS will be 0.2, obviously. And if it is 0.2, then calculate. From MPC you calculate. From MPC, K is equal to 1 by 1 minus MPC, that is 1 by 1 minus 0.8, 1 by 0.2 is equal to 5. Multiplier will be 5. You calculate from MPC, so K is equal to 1 by MPS. Calculate from MPS. So 1 by MPS, that is 1 by 0.5, 0.2, sorry. So is equal to again 5. Now, let us say the MPC is 0.9. The MPC is 0.9. Then MPS will be 0.1. If MPC is 0.9, MPS will be 0.1. Calculate. From MPC you calculate. 1 K is equal to 1 by 1 minus MPC. I am repeating the concept so that you can easily remember this. So it is 1 by 1 minus 0.9. That is 1 by 0.1 is equal to 10. So K will be 10. It is 10. Calculate from MPS. K is equal to 1 by MPS. 1 by 0.1 is equal to 10. Now, let us take the value of MPC as 1. Suppose the value of MPC is 1. So this will be 0. MPS will be 0. So calculate my multiplier from MPC nikalo. First it is MPC. MPC will be K is 1 by 1 minus MPC. So it is 1 by 1 minus 1. That is 1 by 0. And that is equal value infinite. So multiplier is equal infinite. And you calculate from MPS also will be getting infinite. So it is infinite. So there are 4 informations we are getting from this table. What are the informations? The first information you see, the value of multiplier is directly related to value of MPC. As the value of MPC is increasing, the value of multiplier is also increasing. The value of multiplier, when the MPC is 0, the value of multiplier is 1. When it is increased, MPC increase to 0.5, the multiplier increase to 2. When the MPC becomes 0.8, the multiplier becomes 5. And like that, as the MPC goes on increasing and becomes 1, the multiplier goes on increasing and becomes infinite. So that means it is proved that the value of multiplier is directly related to the value of MPC. Please understand this. The value of multiplier is directly related to the value of MPC. And at the same time, the value of multiplier is inversely related to value of MPS, marginal propensity to save. Negative relation. As the MPC goes on increasing from 1 to 0.5, 0.2, 0.10, as it goes on decreasing, the value of multiplier goes on increasing. And from this side, as you see, the value of MPS is increasing, the value of multiplier is decreasing. So that means the value of multiplier is inversely, negatively related to the value of marginal propensity to save, but directly related to the value of marginal propensity to consume. That is about the concept of multiplier and how they are related to MPC and MPS. And another information that we have received from this table, then what, obviously sometimes this question comes that what is the minimum value of multiplier? The minimum value of multiplier is 1. And what can be the maximum value of multiplier? The maximum value of multiplier can be infinite. Then question also comes, I have seen the board. When can the value of multiplier be infinite? The value of multiplier will be infinite when the MPC is 1 or MPS is 0. And what is the minimum value of multiplier? Now 1. And when can the value of multiplier be 1? Now the value of multiplier will be 1 when MPC is 0 or MPS is 1. That is all about the concept of multiplier. Thank you all. And if you really understood it, liked it, then please subscribe. Thank you so much.